Hi, welcome to Purus Learning. So today's topic is how to make your kid read the stories. So no problem even if your kid is not good at reading English. So we have an app wherein it will give you the story and ask your kid to read it, and there will be an assistant in the app. Whenever your kid makes any mistake, it will correct it. So I'm talking about read along app, as you can see, which is there here. This is the app which I'm talking about, read along. This is provided by Google app. So you can create your account inside this, and every day it will ask your kid to read new stories, and whenever your kid goes wrong while reading, it will make a note of those words, and it will prepare a game for those words, and it will make your kid to read, make your kid to practice those words which he or she is not clear about the word. Okay, let's open this app and see what is there inside. Okay,
Tap your photo.
so as you can see, this is how the app looks like, and she is my daughter, and we have an account created for her. So right now she has got 1857 points. Okay, you can create a number of profiles like this if you have multiple children, and you can create a profile for each kid so that you can keep track of how they are progressing. So I'll click on this
Library.
and let me take you through this and show how this app works. So as I said, these are the stories which you get, and your kid can start reading. It will suggest the stories that your kid can read, and let me pick up a story and show you guys how this works. For example, if I click on this, that
Let's read. What are these for?
so this is how it will show, like what word uh, the kid should read, like bang, splat. See, as and when you read, it is highlighting, that means your kid is getting it right.
Excellent, you are reading really well.
And a big mess. Who? If your kid don't know this word, she can just
Great.
click on this, and
Well done, you got that.
it will repeat the
Good
word
job.
so that your kid will know what that word is. This,
Good.
and your kid can continue reading like this. Now let
Good
me
job.
give this mobile to my daughter,
Great,
and
you
let's
read
see
more than your goal today.
how she
To
can
get the next
read.
prize. To
Okay,
get this
Jishna.
prize, earn 3000
So
stars.
she is going to read the moon and the cap story.
Let's read. The moon and the cap.
All of us walked to
The Tara.
the Sarah
Fair.
fair.
Can you keep it like this so that
Nice work.
I can record it? Yeah.
Papa
Bought.
bought
Chintu.
Chintu fans
Glass. Glasses.
glasses. Mother bought me a
Bright.
bright blue cap. The baby got
Sugar.
sugar candy.
Okay, let's pause here.
You read well.
So this is how my kid is reading stories, and she is learning English.
On the way home, a very strong wind came.
Whenever your
Try.
kid doesn't know complete sentence, you can just tap on it and it will start reading it for you.
Read this out loud. On. Let's play a game.
Jumping.
So at the end of the story, it will make a note of the words that your kid is not good at. So
Jumbled up. Drag the blocks below to spell this word.
is how it will give you
Desara.
games to play and to learn the new words. For example, here is the puzzle, and your kid has to make the word like, okay, it is saying this is not correct. Dasara is the word, so D
S.
A A A. Okay.
R. A.
So
Desara.
this is how your kid
Got it.
will learn the new
Spell. Right.
words. So I hope this video is useful and you can make your kid read stories and they can learn good English by so guys, you have seen the demo of how to use this app. So I suggest all of you to take advantage of this app and give it to your kids. Let them use this app while for reading. So all the best. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.